Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make maple syrup hard candy. First, select a high-quality dark maple syrup for the best flavor and color. You will need a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan to prevent scorching, along with a precise candy thermometer. Prepare your molds or a buttered surface, like parchment paper, before heating the syrup. This preparation ensures a smooth process once the syrup reaches its critical temperature, which is essential for perfect hard candy. Once your syrup is in the pot, begin heating it gently over medium heat. It's crucial to insert your candy thermometer correctly, making sure the bulb is fully submerged but not touching the bottom of the pan. This prevents inaccurate readings. Allow the syrup to boil steadily, without stirring, until it reaches precisely 255 degrees Fahrenheit. This specific temperature is key for achieving the hard crack stage, which gives the candy its desired texture. To confirm the syrup is ready, perform the cold water test. Drop a small amount into a bowl of very cold water. It should instantly form hard, brittle threads that snap easily. As soon as your thermometer hits 255 degrees Fahrenheit, remove the pot from the heat to stop the cooking process. Then, carefully and quickly pour the hot syrup into your prepared silicone molds or onto a buttered baking sheet, working efficiently before it sets. After pouring, let your maple hard candy cool undisturbed at room temperature. This cooling period, typically around 30 minutes or more, allows the candy to fully harden and set. Once completely firm, you can easily pop the candies out of silicone molds or break the sheet into smaller, irregular pieces. Store your delicious homemade maple hard candy in an airtight container to prevent moisture absorption, keeping it fresh for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.